This is how to create a simple building with aluminum composite panel exploration. First of all, we can use the rectangle to make a basic plane on this simple building. The height is around only 5 meter. The height of this building is around 5 meter approximately, and the depth is around 11 meter. Then we can click this surface and push it up around 300. Triple click and make group. Then we can select a move and move to the top, and we can move to the above around 4 meter and enter. Okay, now we can make the rectangle in here. Then we can set it inside 150 millimeter and click this surface, erase, and place to the position. Then we can triple click, make group. Okay, then we can make the glazing in here. We can make the glazing. Okay, now we can select the rectangle, click from the position until to this position. Okay, then we can push it to the front around 20. Triple click, make group, and we can select the glazing in here. Okay, and we can change the level of the blue or opacity. Okay, just like this. Then we can select move, tap control, press to the position. Okay, we can move to the position like this, and we can complete for the direction for the position of this gap between the window and the wall. Then we can make the little door element. This is the little door element. We can change with the metal materials over there and select move and place to the position. Okay, we can select move and place to the position. Then we can make the another pull handle of the door. Okay, then now we can explore about the aluminum composite panel in here. We can make the wall first. Okay, then we can select the rectangle and make the rectangle in here. Okay, and also in here. Okay, then we can push it to the front a little bit. Then we can complete it again in here. Okay, we can triple click. Anyway, we can make the another wall in here. Okay, and we can make it a simple roof. Okay, this is just for a simple roof in here. And this is the little gutter. Okay, you can change the materials with using the roof materials from here. Okay, this is the roof and this is a simple gutter, and now we can also make it concrete materials over there. Sorry, just only for this one. Okay, now we can divide it into the several separation of the aluminum composite panel separation. Here we can explore more. Okay, and now we can make some exploration like the wood arrangement in here. Okay, now we can change the wood materials, change with the wood materials over there, and can make the a little signage with the wood arrangement over there like this. Okay, and then we can now make the another metal materials, or we can just use the color. can just use the color with the attractive color over there. Maybe we can use the commercial color like orange color and much more. Can set the saturation of these elements. Okay, now we can make this one and move a little bit to the bottom. Okay, now we can make some canopy. Okay, this is just for the canopy. We can move it a little bit to the upper position. And we can move it a little bit. Okay, and then we can put the people. We can put the people with the component. Okay, and it's done. Anyway, don't forget to join to the membership of this channel. You can click the join button on the below, so you can choose the membership level what you want, and you can get some benefit and perks from that membership program. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.